Hey, fourth grade, it's Miss Wilson. It's always a good day to remind yourself what makes you special and unique, so we're going to remind ourselves today by reading this book called A Boy Like You. There are billions and billions and billions of people in the world, but you are the only you there is, and the world needs a boy like you. The world needs a boy to be kind and helpful, to be smart and strong. Maybe your strong is making sure everyone has a chance to play. Maybe your smart is knowing the precisely right, perfect pass to make. Oh boy, be you, the you that makes you feel most alive. Play hard, but play fair. Be a great teammate. Say, nice goal, and good try. Don't say, you throw like a girl, ever. And remember, there's so much more than sports. There are vegetable gardens to grow, and flowers to give. There are cakes to bake, and eat too. There are instruments to play and songs to sing. There are stories to read and stories to write. There are science experiments to do, and math problems to solve. Oh boy, be curious. Take a risk and raise your hand. Smart kids ask questions, so ask a lot of them. The more you know, the less you'll fear. Here's a secret that not many people know. Fear and bravery are partners. You can't be brave without first being afraid. If you're not ready to be brave, ask for help. This shows you're smart. Sometimes you may feel like crying. Cry. This shows you're strong. One day you'll be a man, and men cry too. Oh boy, dream big. You are unique, and your dreams are yours to dream. It's okay to not know exactly what you want to be or what you will become, but whatever you become a good one. And remember this about dreams. You don't get what you wish for. You get what you work for. So work hard for what you want. In this world, you will meet all kinds of people, and all of them are different. Ask people to tell you their stories. Then listen hard. Stories connect all of us. They're part of what makes us who we are. Don't forget to tell your own story too. As you travel and come and go, hug your family and high-five your friends. High-five your family and hug your friends. Walk with your head up. You want to see where you're going. Smile at people and say hello. Leave every place you visit better than you found it, and leave every person better than you found them. Say please, say thank you, say I love you, and if that's not exactly right, simply say, hey, I like you. And maybe most importantly, say, how may I help? Helping each other is the best way to make our world stronger. Oh boy, be thoughtful. Eat lunch with the new kid. Hold the door for the person behind you. Do the right thing even when no one is looking. And most of all, be you. You'll discover that the best you is the you that is all you. Not a little you and a little someone else. You are original, and that's a wonderful thing. And always remember, the world needs a boy. A smart boy, a brave boy, a kind boy. Oh boy, a boy like you.